Have you ever started an oil change thinking it would take 20 minutes, only to end up covered in oil, fighting with a drain plug, and wondering why the job became such a mess? I've seen people buy cheap extractor pumps that lose suction halfway through the job, leave old oil trapped in the engine, or break after a few uses. That's not just frustrating, it can cost you time, money, and even lead to poor maintenance if you start putting off oil changes altogether. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best oil extractor pumps to help you choose the right tool, avoid wasting money, and make oil changes faster, cleaner, and a whole lot easier. And before we jump in, if you enjoy honest automotive reviews without the marketing nonsense, hit that subscribe button. I test and evaluate tools based on real-world usability, not flashy product pages. I've also linked the latest deals down in the description, and if you're working on a specific vehicle, engine, or maintenance project, leave a comment and I'll help point you in the right direction. Starting at number 5, we've got the UC 6L Vacuum Oil Extractor Pump. Right away, this feels like a practical tool designed specifically for DE maintenance. The 6-liter capacity is large enough for most passenger vehicles, and the vacuum system is straightforward and easy to operate. The reservoir feels durable, the hoses are flexible enough to reach awkward dipstick tubes, and the overall design keeps things simple without feeling cheap. In real-world use, this is a great entry point into oil extraction systems. Here's where this really stands out. Convenience. Instead of crawling underneath the vehicle and dealing with drain plugs, you can often remove oil directly through the dipstick tube. For daily drivers and home mechanics, that can save a surprising amount of time. Compared to budget extractors, the suction performance is generally more consistent. The only drawback is that larger trucks or higher capacity engines may require multiple extraction cycles. Now the next one fixes a problem many people don't realize they have until they start working with different fluids. Coming in at number 4 is the OEMTOOLS 24389 Manual Fluid Extractor Pump. Unlike dedicated oil extractors, this unit is built with versatility in mind. The construction feels solid, the manual pump mechanism is simple and dependable, and it works with a variety of automotive fluids. Whether you're dealing with oil, transmission fluid, coolant, or other maintenance tasks, the design allows for flexibility that many extractors simply don't offer. In real-world use, this tool earns its place because of how adaptable it is. This is what most people don't realize: fluid maintenance isn't limited to engine oil. Having one tool capable of handling multiple jobs can simplify your garage setup significantly. The OEMTOOLS unit is especially useful for DEers who regularly service several vehicles. The only drawback is that manual pumping requires more effort than vacuum-assisted systems. But now we're getting into products that start feeling genuinely professional. At number 3, we've got the Mityvac 7201 2.3-gallon fluid evacuator extractor and dispensing pump. The first thing you'll notice is capacity. With a larger reservoir and a more robust design, this tool feels ready for serious maintenance work. The build quality is excellent, the seals feel durable, and the extraction system operates smoothly. It doesn't feel like a budget tool, it feels like something built for regular use. Here's where this really stands out. In real-world use, efficiency matters. When you're servicing multiple vehicles or working in a shop environment, stopping to empty small reservoirs becomes annoying fast. The larger capacity of the Mityvac 7201 allows you to handle bigger jobs with fewer interruptions. Compared to smaller extractors, the workflow is simply smoother. It's ideal for enthusiasts and serious DE mechanics. The only drawback is that the larger size requires more storage space. Now this next one focuses on simplicity, and sometimes that's exactly what you need. At number 2, we've got the Briggs & Stratton 5430K oil extractor. Briggs & Stratton understands small engines, and that experience shows in this design. The extractor is compact, lightweight, and easy to operate. It feels purpose-built for lawn equipment, generators, power sports machines, and smaller engines where traditional oil changes can be awkward. In real-world use, this tool shines for homeowners and small engine enthusiasts. Here's what most people don't realize: many small engines become difficult to service simply because access to the drain plug is limited. The Briggs & Stratton extractor solves that problem elegantly. It allows for quick oil removal with minimal mess and hassle. Compared to larger extractors, it's easier to maneuver and store. The only drawback is that its smaller capacity makes it less suitable for larger automotive applications. And now we've reached number 1. Taking the top spot is the Mityvac MVA6851 7 ounces fluid evacuator extractor and dispensing syringe. At first glance, some people underestimate this tool because of its size. That would be a mistake. The construction feels extremely solid, the syringe design offers exceptional control, and it's capable of handling precision fluid extraction and dispensing tasks that larger extractors simply can't do effectively. In real-world use, this is one of those tools you find yourself reaching for constantly. Here's where this really stands out: precision. Whether you're servicing brake systems, differential fluid, power steering components, transfer cases, or tight access fluid reservoirs, the control it provides is outstanding. This is what most people don't realize. Many maintenance tasks require accuracy, not volume. Compared to generic pumps and makeshift methods, the Mityvac delivers cleaner and more precise results. The only drawback is obvious: it isn't designed for full engine oil extraction on larger vehicles. Let's be honest for a second. The best oil extractor isn't necessarily the biggest or most expensive one. It's the one that matches the type of maintenance you actually perform. That's where many buyers go wrong. If you're looking for an affordable oil extraction solution for regular vehicle maintenance, the Uke is an excellent place to start. The OEMTOOLS offers flexibility for multiple fluid types. The Mityvac 7201 brings professional-grade capacity and efficiency. The Briggs and Stratton is perfect for small engine applications. But if you're looking for the most versatile precision fluid management tool on this list, the Mityvac MVA6851 earns the #1 position because of how often it proves useful across a wide range of maintenance tasks. The reality is simple. Proper fluid maintenance extends component life, improves reliability, and helps prevent expensive repairs. The right extractor pump doesn't just make the job easier, it makes it more likely that you'll actually keep up with maintenance in the first place. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more real-world automotive tool reviews and maintenance guides. Check the description below for the latest deals on all 5 products and leave a comment if you're trying to choose the right extractor for your specific vehicle or project. You now know more than most buyers before they spend their money. Go make the right choice.